Hi, my name is Ethan Gegg, and today we're doing our January 20th update. How is your team doing, the Agitated trips for their competition? January 29th, I believe it is, right?
Yeah, we're doing pretty good. We're just trying to iron out the last kinks, like get the autonomous working and generally just continue training the driver.
Okay, yeah, your guys' team is in there right now. I see. What are you guys currently working on?
There's a minor issue with the clam. We're trying to figure that. Well, we know why it's happening. We're just more so trying to figure out how to fix it.
I see. Yeah, and you have your whole team working pretty hard on it. As far as your autonomous, how is that going?
It's hit or miss because we've got it to almost work sometimes, but sometimes it'll just mess up a turn ever so slightly. Sometimes the positioning's a bit off.
Okay.
So 50-50.
So overall, out of 10, how would you say you're feeling before the competition, 2 weeks out?
Skills, I'd say we're on a solid 6 match. I don't know. I want to say we're doing good, but there's just too many small issues.
Okay, and just what about like your driving, and like how you feel like you're gonna do it during the actual competition?
That I'd say we're pretty good on. Don's a great driver, and with more practice, we'll be even better.
Alright, thank you. Alright, my name is Ethan Gegg. This is our January 20th vlog update. What's your name? And he's with the Sinister Cephalopods. This is their 2-week update before the competition. Speaking of 2 weeks, how do you think your team's doing overall so far?
I think overall we've made a lot of improvement from our last robot, and we've really learned from our mistakes. In respect to the competition, I feel like there's one more addition we're making to our robot regarding the claw. So from our last competition, we actually found that a mechanism to grab movables would be better in contrast to our original ring picking up mechanism. So we switched over to this claw that could lift movables as well to put on the ramp. So I'd say overall we're pretty good.
So you kind of took it to the next level pretty much.
Yeah.
Well, literally the next level until you bring them apart. And then, as far as autonomous, how would you say out of 10 your team is feeling there up until the competition?
Autonomous-wise, we haven't started programming autonomous yet, so I'd say feeling not too great about it. But again, I feel like with the mechanisms established on our robot, we have a lot of potential for autonomous, and it should be fairly easy to program. Like with our last autonomous, just a quick grabbing of a goal was it gave us a lot of points to get the competition.
That's good, yeah, and we'll talk to him in a second, but our coder Luke definitely has some good experience as far as helping the other team out recently. They seem to be working on their autonomous a lot right now, so probably with his combined work on the other team's robot and soon to be the cephalopods, that's going to help you guys out.
Yeah, definitely.
Alright, thanks for your time, man. See ya. Alright, this is our coding update for January 20th. This is Luke, right?
Hey, I'm
Luke. And he is one of our team's main coders. How would you say both of the team's autonomous programs are doing as right now?
So, Ethan, they're a work in progress right now. They mainly function on the stability of the robots and how accurate and reliably they can perform a task multiple times. We're working on ironing out the kinks and bugs and getting the robots to be more reliable currently, but it's going along. We've got autonomous plans and strategies. We just are implementing those currently.
All right, thank you, Luke. Thanks for your time. All right, this is Coach Jason Gegg right here, and he is going to be telling us about how he feels. Let me repeat that. Sorry. All right, I'm Ethan. What's your name?
I'm Coach Gegg.
And he's one of the main coaches for our robotics teams. And one of the main things we're asking today is how the two teams are doing as far as their 2-week progress before the competition. How would you say the two teams are progressing so far?
I think the two teams are doing a great job with the limited amount of time that we have yet. I think one team is a little further ahead than the other. They're doing a good job working on their game strategy, refining their driving skills. We've got a neat surprise in store for the other competitors that may be an advantage over others, so that'll be fun to see unveiled. The other team is a little bit newer to robotics, and so they've got a little bit further to go, but I think we're in the triage moment right now, making some good decisions that'll make sure they're a good competitor and have a good time at the next competition. So I'm excited about the next couple of weeks. It should be interesting.
All right, have some secrets in store. That's good to hear. Thank you.